Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. Once again, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Let's join pharmacy. Yes, so today I am here in front of you to discuss about the part 4. Okay, in the previous parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, most probably we are completed all the condensation reactions and only this one is remaining. So, in this video, only this short video it is, okay, we will discuss about this Perkin condensation. Okay, let's begin. And if you are waiting in those first, second, third, means 3 parts, means first go to those part, observe those part, and then come and interact with this part, that is part 4. Here, my dear brothers and sisters, this Perkin condensation, the main intention of this reaction is to determine the derivatives of the cinnamic acid or cinnamide derivatives. Mainly the scientist known as, his name is Perkin, I think Perkin only. Okay, what he has done, he has discovered this condensation reaction to the derivatives of the cinnamines, that is the cinnamic acid. Okay, one general point you remember, cinnamic acid or cinnamic acid it used with the aspartame. Aspartame, it is artificial sweetening agent. Clear, it is used with the sweetening agent, means in the many flavor products, sweetened products, baked products, okay, kurkure, that all items are there, no, in that all products we are using this cinnamic acid. Cinnamic acid is a type of a Perkin condensation. Yes, let's begin. This reaction involves the addition of acid anhydride. Okay, acid anhydride means here acid anhydride play a vital role to aromatic aldehyde in the presence of a base. This is known as a sodium salt of carboxylic acid, is known as Perkin condensation. Simple, means here only aromatic aldehyde can take place here. When the aromatic aldehyde made to react with the acid anhydride in the presence of sodium salt of carboxylic acid, CH3COONA, okay, at the temperature 450 degrees Celsius, then there will be formation of this Perkin condensation. Initially there will be formation of which one? That is intermediate. After that there will be formation of a cinnamic acid, means a condensed structure. Clear, condensed means condensed Perkin. Yes, this condensation is most commonly used for the preparation of alpha beta unsaturated acids. Okay, most probably used in the preparation of alpha beta unsaturated acid. And this Perkin condensation is similar with the aldol condensation, but with one exception. What is that? Only aromatic aldehydes having no alpha hydrogens can undergo Perkin condensation. Clear? Here one point to remember, living aldol and living aldol and cross aldol, every other condensation reaction is carried in the absence of alpha hydrogen atoms. Okay, only aldol and cross aldol, they are carried in the presence of alpha hydrogens, but remaining all the condensation will be behaved or carried in the absence of this alpha hydrogen. Clear? If aromatic aldehyde, you understand this concept, this point? Yes, very good. If aromatic aldehyde containing alpha hydrogen, then they can undergo other self oxidation, self condensation reaction. Okay, if they contains any alpha hydrogen, means they can go towards the aldol or cross aldol. Okay, this is better for them. Yes, next with the example, see, benzaldehyde, it is the aromatic aldehyde with no alpha hydrogen, react with acetic anhydride, CH3CO twice O with the presence of sodium salt of carboxylate, formation of intermediate, and then Perkin. Yes, you note it down, or otherwise I will add in description. Go to the description and observe, take the notes. Yes, so let's discuss about the actual part, that is mechanism. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, mechanism. Clear? And inshallah after these 5 marks question, and from next classes there are very important, like preparation of alkanes we will discuss, how the alkanes get prepared, then preparation of alcohols, basicity of amines. These are very very important questions in organic chemistry. Okay, and after these important questions, inshallah we will come across the 10 marks question. Here one point you remember, I don't want to make this video long. One point to remember, my dear brothers and sisters, these 5 marks question what we are studying, no, in 10 marks there will be chance or probability of asking these same questions, same 5 marks question they are asking in 10 marks. Okay, here one question they are asking for 5 marks, there 2 questions they are asking for 10 marks, like they are asking anti-Markovnich's rule with the Perkin condensation, or Markovnich's rule with this aldol condensation, or benzoin condensation, or any other type of Kenny-Zero, Setzer rule, they are asking like that twice double questions in 10 marks. Okay, but what we are done now in 5 marks, you have to write the same in that 10 marks. Only E1 and E2 reaction, SN1 and SN2, these two reactions are remaining, inshallah. That also we will cover in the further videos. Yes, so let's begin the mechanism. Mechanism, it is a 5-step complex mechanism to form this Perkin condensation. First one is the formation of carb anion. Carb anion is a basic product in all the condensation reactions. Here what happened is acetic anhydride, you are looking. Okay, CS2CO, CS3CO. Acetic anhydride, H+. Here what happens, base abstracts a proton from alpha carbon of the acetic anhydride to form a carb anion. It is the alpha carbon, my dear brothers and sisters, not alpha hydrogen, remember. Okay, base abstract, this one is CS3CO minus, it is the base. It will abstract the proton from the alpha carbon. Okay, here hydrogen is present, no, it is a proton. Who will abstract or receive, these base will be received. Clear, this base will be received and it form a carb anion. See, CH2CO, CH3CO, CH3COH. If it received means what happens? It turns to acid, that is acetic acid or ethanoic acid. Yes, minus charge. Yes, next step 2, attacking of a carb anion to carboxyl group. Just the formed carb anion is attacking to this aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde, benzaldehyde we take it there, aldehyde. What happens? These minus charge, okay, this carb anion, the carb anion gets attached to the carboxyl group of aldehyde to yield one ion, means complex one, ion complex is formed. After the attacking of these carb anion to which one? Aldehyde, C6H5, CH. Then what happens? This O will shifts down, O minus, then as usual the remaining product is same the remaining product. Just after the attacking means what? They are just combining, forming the complex both. Which one? One is carb anion and aldehyde. They are just combining, forming a complex. This is the complex one, that is complex anion. Just they are combining. Removing of this double bond. If removal of double bond, what happens? These double bond will shift towards the base of the carbon. We form the O minus, here H plus. Remaining all the carb anion is same, attached to that carbon. Yes, this is the simple product. Now let's move across the third, that is the step 3. In step 3, my dear brothers and sisters, look here. Yes, step 3, formation of aldol type of products. Means due to the one similar product here, which one? Alpha beta unsaturated carbons are formed, I have told you. Okay, here due to that one formation of aldol type of product. Where? Here in the Perkin. What is this? This is the ion, complex ion. Okay, now what it does, it gets protonated, means it will accept the water, H plus to form aldol type of product. After it receiving the H plus, then see, this O minus will receive this H plus and form OH. This is the one protonated type of one aldol product. Got it? Yes, this is the third step, simple step. Then fourth, the formation of a mixed anhydride. How it is formed? Just by the hydration. Okay, aldol product get dehydrated. Sorry, not hydration, dehydrated to form mixed aldehyde. Dehydrated means just they remove the water molecules from here. Okay, here see, dehydrated. Formation of a mixed anhydride. How this mixed anhydride is formed? Just by means of dehydration of the water molecules, that is dehydrated water. Here see, this is aldol product. What it will do? It will remove here. OH is get removed. OH removed. Very simple. OH is removed. C6H5, C H. If OH is removed means this bond will shift here. CS2CO, CS3CO. Yes, very good. By removal of water molecule, they will form the mixed anhydride. Okay, mixed anhydride. And last step, that is the step 5, formation of alpha beta unsaturated acid. This is our final product. Here what happened when mixed anhydride, again a dehydrated product, means a dehydrated product further gets hydrolyzed. What the dehydrated product? No, which one is the dehydrated product here? That is mixed anhydride. Mixed anhydride, it is a dehydrated product. Which one? That is mixed anhydride. Now what it happens for this mixed anhydride? it goes hydration, means water molecules will add to this mixed anhydride and get hydrolyzed to form alpha beta unsaturated acid. See here, simple, CH3COOH, means how this CH3COOH is formed? Very simple, very simple. See, first we will form this alpha beta, C6H4CH, C6H4CH, as it is double bond, double bond. Now this CHCO, 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 we have to take O and H from here, OH, CHCOOH, OH. Okay, then what is remaining here? OH, only one H is remaining. Then we add to the CH3COOH, acetic acid, ethanoic acid. One is ethanoic acid, another one is alpha beta unsaturated acid. Here what we are doing, dehydrated product further gets hydrolyzed to form alpha beta unsaturated acid. Okay, yes, this is the completion of the Perkin condensation. Yes, my dear brothers and sisters, if you like this video, then subscribe my channel, Let's Join Pharmacy, and share this video with your friends. Like this video. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.